So this is a quick demo on how we are using Claude Design for the GenShops e-commerce platform. So the goal is to create various themes and presets for certain niches. Like for example, what you see on the screen is a theme, e-commerce theme, which is designed for a beauty shop, right? So something which sells maybe creams, anything to do with beauty, right? So this is what it has designed, and this is the new Claude Design interface. This comes as part of the Pro plan, and what we have is a similar chat interface which you have either on Claude or Chat GPT. So you just type in what you want it to create, and it will create it for you. But what we have done is since we use a lot of Claude code for our project, which is the GenShops e-commerce platform, we asked Claude on how we can use Claude Design to design these various themes, which our clients who use GenShops e-commerce can use it, right? So what we did was we went on to Claude Code. We are using the latest version, which is Opus 4.7, and we asked it how we can use Claude Design to create these presets. Since Claude Code has access to our project, it knows what files and in what structure it needs to create these uh, themes or designs, and Claude Design is going to do that for us. But it just gave us a quick prompt, which I guess the Claude Design tool or the model will understand on what needs to be created, right? So we just pasted this, and then we haven't given it a lot of detail in terms of it has asked questions in terms of the brand, the design, and the fonts and everything. So all those we can feed in, and right now we haven't done anything, but it created a generic beauty theme preset. I guess this is the home page, and uh, for demo purposes, I'm just going to use the export feature here and then hand it off to Claude, right? So hand it off to Claude. Claude gets all the design files which are required to implement the theme feature within our Gen shops. So this way, uh, we can create a lot of themes which are professional looking, and then also give our users the ability to maybe design their own theme in a later version, right? So hope that helps, and you should definitely try Cloud Design. Looks pretty good. I think a similar tool which Google also has is Google Stitch. So Google Stitch also can be used along with Cloud Code. So just an FYI, but since our stack is mostly on Claude, I think this design tool is definitely going to help the folks who are using Claude for the development. So hope that helps, and we'll have more demos on Cloud Design coming up soon. Thank you.